Alright everyone, this is Avimations, and today is going to be a bit odd because I'm going to be doing a tutorial over a kind of programming. This program is called Berkeley Logo. Logo is a language a coding language that is used mostly for drawing and not really creating anything. So, what we will do is just go over the basic functions of this for the first video of the tutorial. Now you will hear maybe a few clicks and a few buttons being pressed, and you will hear me sniff a lot. So let's get right on to this. So I'll leave a link in the description for this program. So what you want to do first, if you want to get out of this screen, is click Home. Now if you can see my mouse, I'm not 100% sure you can. This thing is called a turtle. Kind of funny, right? Yes, this is a turtle. This turtle is what moves around and draws. So the first basic codes I will teach you are to go forward, back, and turn left and right, and also how to clear your screen and go back to your normal position. Now, or how to just clean the screen. The first, we have forward. So all you want to do is type in forward and then an amount of pixels that you want your turtle to move. So forward 100, like that. Then if you want to turn right or clockwise, you type in right and then the angle that you want to turn. So if I want to turn right 90 degrees, type right 90. Then you turn right 90. Then if you want to turn left or counterclockwise, you click left and then the amount that you want to turn. So left 90 would put me back straight. Now let's go back to being at this point. Now to go back, you click back and then the amount you want to go. This will keep you in the same direction as you were, but you'll be back, or you will go backwards and draw the line. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to my original position. Oh, I typed in forward wrong. Forward 100. Now I'm gonna go forward 100 again. Forward 100. Now I've made this T looking shape. Now I'm gonna just do one random drawing here. So now I'm gonna go back 100. Then I want to turn counterclockwise, so left 90. Then forward 100. Now as you can see, I've drawn some sort of plus sign or wall of like 4 corners or anything. I don't know. So, and then if you want to go back to your original position, you type in home, then you go back. If you want to clean your screen, type in clean. Then say you do this, then you type in clean. It doesn't put you back at your original position, but to do that, you need to do So if I go forward 100, you can go forward any amount, even forward 1000. It'll just keep you going and going and going. So it'll go past the screen and then back up, then that. But to go to your original position and clean your screen, you go clear screen, no space. Then you're at your original position. Now, you might not want to type in forward or anything like that a lot. So what you do is, so if you want to just go forward, FD 100 does the same thing. If you want to clear your screen, type in CS, since C, clear, S, screen. If you want to move left, LT, right, RT, back, BK. So basically, if it's one word, you do the beginning and the beginning letter and the end letter of that word. If it's two, I believe you do first letter of the first word and second letter of the second word. Oh, I forgot to put in a amount or an amount. This makes it a lot easier. Wait, I think CN. No, I don't know. I don't know the thing for CN. I guess I don't really have one. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna give a I will give a challenge, but I'm gonna show you one more thing. If you want to move without leaving a line, you do pen up or PU. Then FD 100, you don't go anywhere. But then if you want to start running again, pen down or PD. Then you start doing these again. Now I'm gonna give you all a challenge for this. I'm gonna give you a challenge for this video. So the challenge is to, since this is just the first, your challenge for today is to draw a square. Should be simple. Oh, okay. So for your challenge, just draw a square, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.